Assalamualaikum students. How are you? I hope you are fine at home. Today I will introduce a new KUW topic, that is senses. What are senses? Our senses help us to understand what's happening around us. There are five main senses: sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of hearing, sense of taste, and sense of touch. These five senses are shown in the picture. Now I will tell you the body parts that allow us to experience these senses. Eyes for the sense of sight, for the sense of smell, good or bad. Nose is used. For the sense of hearing, ears are used. For the sense of taste, sweet or bitter, tongue is used. For the sense of touch, our hands are used. Students, now we will do an activity that you will color the picture which you can touch with your hand. First of all, here is a picture of flower. Of course, we can touch the flower, so we will circle the flower. Next picture is a picture of teddy bear. We can also touch the teddy bear, so we will circle the teddy bear. In the next picture, there is an apple. Can you touch the apple? Yes, we can touch it, so we will also circle the apple. Next picture, there is a moon and stars. Can you touch the moon or stars? No, we can't touch, so we will not circle it. In the next picture, there is fire. Can you touch the fire with your hand? No, we can't touch because it's very dangerous and we should not touch it. In the next picture, there are raindrops. Can you touch the raindrops? Yes, we can touch with our hand. So we will also circle it. In the next picture, there is a sun. Students, can you touch the sun? No, we can't touch. So we will not circle it. There is another activity that you will color the things that you can hear by using your ears. In the third activity, you will match the pictures to the correct senses. Okay students, thank you. Allah Hafiz.